For anyone struggling to understand what's due and when and how do I navigate this platform, this is a quick little instructional just to show you how I've organized the course or how I want you to proceed through. So the very first thing that I would like you to do when you log in and you select this course is to go to the course home, which it automatically should do once you've selected the course. That the first thing that I want you to do is pay attention to the lesson plan that I put on for each day. Now, unfortunately, just because of some of the technical issues and going through the course content, that I haven't been able to upload these until later. So this may look very different than what you may have seen before. So what I've been doing is each day, I used to do a weekly schedule, but with Octomesters and having essentially 4 periods a day of time and opportunity in which to work on these courses, that I realized I needed to do it day by day. So what I've been doing is I date it and also state from the content which unit and activities we're working with. These are in order. So what I want you to do is first start with this particular item and then move on to the next one. And it will guide you as to what unit and activity content I would like you to be working through. So what this is doing is basically summarizing both the content that you're going to go through and the activities that it wants you to do, as well as some of the extra things that I want you to do. So I may have a tutorial video that gives you a little bit more information as to what you should be working on. So if you'll notice, unfortunately, this is just a JPEG. It is a picture so that you can see the outline. So here's one, for example. This was day 2, and we were working with Unit 1, Activity 2 content. Now, if you wanted to watch the instructional video, all you need to do is click down below. That is a shareable Google link. It will open this document and you can actually just click on those links from that. So this is just a snapshot to show you. So day 1, I was taking you through the orientation and getting you to go through the information related to the introduction to the course. Day 2, we started to get into course content. And there will be times when I post videos of YouTube videos, or I may post a video just like this that I have made. So that's why I start off with it so that you have a tutorial. And then what you can do is go into Unit 1, Activity 2 content and go through those activities. And you can just cross-reference it with that agenda. So once you see that I want you to go into Unit 1, Activity 2, what you could do is simply go into Unit 1, Activity 2, and go through the content and activities here. What I want to make sure that you see is that within these, as we're going through the content, and the interactive clickable activities, is that you will actually see eventually, as we scrolled through here, there wasn't too many assignments or discussions that we were doing on this particular day. I've added a discussion to this particular one that was listed in today's agenda, rather than trying to put it into the content and going back through the content to find that. But for the most part, when you're completing an assignment, you will actually see you can just work through all of these items and then submit your work when you're done. And when you're done that one, you move on to the next activity. And you can simply work through the agenda and through all the items that are just listed in the content here. The other thing that you could do, I really, really recommend going through content because it will give you all the information that you need in order to complete those. However, say for yesterday, you were working through the course home and you're looking at the content. Okay, so we know that there was a practice assignment of the personal essay. So the other thing that you can do is if you know of the assignments that you're working on, the other part of the course home that I want you to be checking is the calendar. When I outline an assignment here, that I actually have due dates that are connected from the content and the assignment. They are linked to the calendar. And so we are on February 3rd. So if you've already gone through the content and you're just making sure that you're up on your due dates, you can actually click just on February 3rd to say, okay, there's a dot there, so something's due. And so what you can do is click on this and find out what assignment is due for today. And you should be clicking through all of these links regularly. You should be checking the newsfeed. You should be going through the content from top to bottom on whatever unit and activity is assigned for that day in the newsfeed. And then the third part is checking the calendar for when those due dates are done. Now, unfortunately, the calendar simply shows you when things are due. It does not show you when you could and should be working on those. Okay, so that is the key part. The other assignment icon that you should be paying attention to are your discussions. So here we have Unit 1 discussions, exploring goals, and that we see that it is due today. So that should be posted by today. There are two others, and what I'll start doing is actually include the unit and activity numbers that these are attached to, the activity numbers, because we know this is Unit 1, that we have two more down below here that are attached to Activity 2, and we can see that the due date for this one in particular is Thursday, February 11th at 11 p.m. You can post anytime before then. This one is due by Friday, February 5th by 11 p.m. The important thing to note is that when you look at these due dates, that this means that it closes. You will not be able to post on this discussion after Friday, February 5th at 11 o'clock. So it is important to pay attention to that course homepage because this is really your guide as to what's due and what you should be accessing on a day-to-day basis. I will only be opening the content as we go through it. So if you cannot find anything on Unit 1, Activity 3, because you can't see the content, it means that we're not on it yet. If you miss a day, you need to come back to the course home newsfeed and look at the activities that were assigned. Go into the content, find that unit and activity number. So Unit 1, Activity 2 is what we've been working on for today and yesterday. Go through that content and make sure that you're completing all of those. The third thing that you can do is checking in with the calendar to make sure that you're completing those assignments before they're due. You will see that they're all listed here. Once we go into February 4th, this one will disappear because the availability has ended. So what many people do is they're simply working from here to make sure that they are completing these assignments. When you click on it, this is the personal essay that was for feedback that you could be working on that was in the lesson plan for today. When you click on that, you will actually see the outline for that particular assignment. It comes from the content. That's why it's important to look at content. But you also have the outline. You could complete it in a Google Doc and then click on here and you can actually submit that. Yours will look very different than mine because I'm the teacher view. But you can actually use the calendar to guide you with what assignments you should be working on and when they are due and what you need to submit. So let me know if that helps you in any way in order to guide what you're supposed to be doing on a day-to-day basis to know what assignments you should be working on, as well as when are the final submission dates for those assignments.